My question is regarding the Witr prayer. So, in congregation, when the Imam prays the Witr prayer and he recites the dua, after the Imam recites the dua, the congregation they wipe their face with their hands after the Imam recites the dua. It is innovation.
Okay. So wiping the face after the dua is an issue of dispute, and the reason is that the hadith that is found is extremely weak and not authentic. And this is why Ibn Abdul Barr, one of the great scholars of Al-Maliki school, used to say wiping the face after the dua is only done by the ignorant, people who have no knowledge. So it is not part of the sunnah to make it. Those who do it, we don't usually comment on it because they are following a weak hadith, and some schools may allow following weak hadiths when there is no relationship between aqidah issues or halal and haram, as they call it, fada'il al-a'mal, and this is their preference, so be it. But the most authentic opinion that this is not from the sunnah at all.